honored guests and CDI College families. I want to thank you for being part of our grand opening today. And as you all know, we've been serving in Quebec in the past over 50 years. And I'm so proud of our CDI College families that you have been part of this for 50 years. And we got people who's been here for 45 years, 43 years. What more can I ask for?
We've been doing business with CDI College for about 3 years now, and I can proudly say we've recruited about a dozen caregivers, also accompanied with nurses, and so far so good. And absolutely is that I would wish to continue doing business with the CDI College graduates in the future.
One thing I've realized comparing to a lot of other colleges, why we like to hire the ones in CDI is because they're very motivated to work. And the course outline that CDI offers during their education, during the time that they're in the college, it really meets the criteria that we're looking for and the knowledge that we're looking for in these employees or interns.
As we all know, our mission is to change lives through education, service, and care, and we are all in it together, and I'm so proud of all of you.
We have built a great relationship with CDI, and so when we're hiring interns or we're hiring the students as employees, we feel like we can communicate with their previous professors or the placement team to get a better knowledge of these students, so we're capable of working with them in a better way rather than just kind of just being like, you didn't do it properly, have a good day, have a good life type of thing. Because we want to help these people grow as much as they're helping us grow.
We are not here just to do good things for our school only, but we want to be part of the community and contribute to the community, really do good deeds, so we all grow together.
CDI College brings a lot of value to our retirement home because when the clients and the elderly, they see that there's other people walking around, people that are really in touch with the needs of the elderly, and they're there for communication and really like a real human touch. I get a lot of good feedback from the family, I get a lot of good feedback from the patients, and also from the CLSC, in which we have a very good partnership with.
And so I want to thank you again for this grand opening, and thank you for our guests, honored guests, and merci beaucoup.